I love bees. They are one of Hashem's greatest creations. And boy, do they love eating nectar and pollen from flowers. Well, today I'm gonna go check on my honeybees and see if they're busy making honey for Rosh Hashanah. There are so many things I'm going to need. I'm gonna need a smoker, a holder, and all kinds of tools. I'm gonna be really careful getting my smoker ready. Let me check and make sure my smoker is really smoky. I use the smoker to keep the bees nice and calm. All right, time to get dressed. I'm gonna need a very special coat. This is my beekeeper's coat. I put it on to make sure my arms are protected, just in case a bee wants to give me a little sting. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna need are special gloves. These keep my hands safe and also remind me to be very gentle when handling the bees. The last thing I need to wear is a special mask to keep my face nice and safe. How do I look? Okay, it's time to check on my bees. All right, let me take a closer look. Ooh, lots of activity. My bees are going in and out of the beehive. I'm always very gentle when I take care of my bees. Let's take a look. Wow, look at all the bees and how busy they are making delicious honey. Look how busy they are, how they work together. They must be really good friends. All right, time to check the bottom. The bottom is where all the babies are kept. And when the bees grow up, they come to the top and make lots and lots of honey. Oh, they're really busy today. All right, bees, I'll let you get back to work. I know you're really busy. Have a great day. Shana Tova Umetuka.